Recently, one of my Etsy accounts got banned for no reasons whatsoever, and I tried appealing, I tried reaching out to Etsy, and I was unable to get that account back, even though I know that I didn't do anything wrong. And in this video, I want to show you how I was able to get my account back within a week, what I did to do that. And I know this is a huge problem with Etsy and all the marketplaces in general, okay? This method worked for me and worked for two more people that I know of that also got banned for no reason. It was actually someone from my Discord that tried this method and it worked for her. So I just want to give a shout out to Lucy. Lucy, thank you for telling me this. Without you, I probably would not have this account back. So I'm really thankful. And today another member tried to do this method as well. His name is Henny. I told him to appeal using this method and it worked for him too. So if you're hopeless, if you tried everything, this might be the way, okay? This might be a way to get your account back. But before you try this method, I still think you should appeal first, okay? Always appeal first before you do anything else, okay? So let's say you just open a new Etsy account and got shut down right away. This happens a lot, okay? Etsy shuts down a lot of new accounts because they have too many sellers than buyers and they don't like having so many new accounts, okay? So if that happens to you, first appeal, okay? I appealed my case on May 6th and this is my appeal right here. And then the same day, I got an email saying that unfortunately, they determined that my account cannot be reinstated and the decision is final, okay? So if you get a message like that, don't give up because you can still get your account back unless you're doing something that's against Etsy policy, okay? If you do something against Etsy policy, like you are dropshipping on Etsy, you're not gonna get your account back, okay? You should not be doing that. You are done. But if you're selling digital products or you just open a new account or whatever else is the reason, there's still a chance, okay? Even if you appeal and you don't get a message. But even if you appeal and they still rejected you, what I would do is I would go to the Etsy chat and try to talk to them before doing the method I'm going to show you, okay? This is what I did too. After my appeal failed, I went to the chat. I told them that I think this is a mistake. And the chat person told me that, no, the decision is final. I cannot get my account back. And I knew that they are wrong. The reason being why I got banned is because Etsy released some algorithmic update that somehow got my account on their radar. And that's why I got shut down. Honestly, my speculation is that we scaled too fast and I was getting too many orders too fast because this was a brand new account and I was getting a lot of orders very fast. And I think that's why they're restricting my account, but I'm not sure. But anyway, after I appealed and my appeal failed, I did the method I'm going to show you in a minute. And check this out. 8 days later, I got an email from Etsy saying that they did an investigation and they figured out that my account was suspended in error and they reinstated my shop. So I was like, yes, this is working. And I knew I was right. I knew that I didn't do anything wrong, okay? This account was selling digital products that were all complied with Etsy policy. So there's no reason why I should be banned, okay? And here's what I did, okay? I went to bbb.org, Better Business Bureau Organization. And what they do is they help customers resolve issues with the companies and sellers, okay? You can try this with any other marketplace too. Maybe you can try this with TikTok Shop and actually get an account back too. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it with TikTok, but it works with Etsy. So what I did, I just found Etsy in the Better Business Bureau database. So when it says find, just type in Etsy and you're going to see their headquarters. So click on that. And then what I did is I clicked on file a complaint and it's going to ask you a couple of questions. So you need to answer them. The answers to all my questions were pretty much no. So I'm just going to click no, continue. Oh, it's saying that I have a current complaint. So I guess I cannot create another one. I need to close the current one, but let's assume that, you know, I'm creating a new one. So all you have to do now is just put your contact information and then you have to answer the questions related to your problem. You have to describe the problem. And when it says desired resolution, what I did is I clicked on this option right here and I scrolled down to others and I said, reinstate my account, okay? And within a couple of hours, I got a message from Better Business Bureau that they sent my message to Etsy. And now Etsy is forced to respond to my email, or I should say the email from Better Business Bureau. And they have about 2 weeks to respond, okay? And then as I showed you earlier, 8 days later, I got my account back. I also got an email from Better Business Bureau to go to this website and put my case number to see the response. And I don't know if I can show you the response, so I'm gonna blur it out. But basically, this message is saying that your account is reinstated, just like that email that I got from Etsy. And that's it. That's the best trick that has worked for me when it comes to reinstating my account on Etsy. I think what's happening here is that Better Business Bureau is forcing Etsy to respond, and they need to respond to this request. That way, they take a look at your account, and if they see that you didn't do anything wrong, they will reinstate your account, okay? Because that's the case. If you have not done anything wrong, maybe you just opened a new Etsy account, this is forcing them to respond to your message. This is the only thing that worked for me when it comes to reinstating my account. Again, I tried to appeal, I tried talking to them through the chat, and that didn't work. They said that their appeal decision is final. I'm not gonna get my account back. This was my last resolution to file a complaint. I really didn't wanna do that because I feel like that's a little bit too much, but it worked. I knew I didn't do anything wrong, and now my account is back, okay? I suggest you do this method only if you tried everything else and you failed, and this is your last result, okay? This should be used as a last thing. You should not just filing these complaints very easily, okay? Do it as a last result if you can't get the answer back from Etsy, even though you know you didn't do anything wrong. If you did something wrong with Etsy, if you broke their terms of services, you're not gonna get your account back, okay? But if you know that you didn't do anything wrong, this might help you. And I hope I helped you today with this video. If I did, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if this method has worked for you. So far, I know 2 more people that this method worked for them as well. Hopefully it's gonna work for you too. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.